Hello everyone, so this evening I'm going to try and make, it's called a fruity bread loaf. So it does have quite a lot of ingredients in, as I'll show you in a minute, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, now first thing you're going to use, and you can do all this by hand, but it is a lot easier, so just sling it all in a bread machine. And this, I have a Panasonic bread machine. So it gives you all these options, all these things that you can make. It's a lot. Now, some people might say it takes the fun out of it, but you do have a lot of ingredients that we do need to mix up, so it does take a bit of skill. And we'll see how it goes. So, first thing you want to do, as you can see in here, you need to make sure it's actually got the blade in, because if you sling it all in there and think it's going to mix it up, you're going to be mistaken. So we'll put that in a minute. Okay, so we've got about 2 teaspoons of yeast. Near enough. And we've got 6 teaspoons of brown sugar. Bit of luck. It's about 6 I do. Alright, so this calls for 3 teaspoons of mixed spice. Now I haven't got mixed spice, so I'm going to try allspice. How bad can that go? So I'm going to try putting 3 teaspoons of that in there. Okay, and I'm also going to put some cinnamon in there as well. So the recipe doesn't actually give me an amount, so I'm going to guess and probably put 3 or 4 in. Hopefully that'll do. Okay, now it should be safe to put the salt in. So we need 1.5 teaspoons. So I'm gonna guess 1.5. Now it also says 6 teaspoons of butter. I'm not sure how you get 6 teaspoons from butter. I would have thought it would be grams, or so it's a question of trying to match how many teaspoons do you think we can cut off there. What would you say? 2 and a bit? That'll do. We'll say 4. Butchering this butter. 5 and a bit. We'll probably do. Sort that out later. Okay, so need a bit of milk. Now it doesn't say how much. It says 6 teaspoons of powdered milk, but I don't have that. So I'm going to guess I don't know. What do you reckon? $50ml. Give that a go. And final ingredient for now is 270 millilitres of water, which I'm thinking that's probably about right. So we're going to put that all in there. Looks alright. And then we've got the mixed, looks like mixed fruits to go in there, but we don't put that in yet because the bread machine has got a secret feature. Okay, so I've got around 150 grams of mixed fruits. So we take this over here. You see that is already in the bread machine, but on here we've got a secret compartment. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that in there. And then we put it on a basic raisin, and that drops down when it's an appropriate moment, when the machine decides to. Okay, so we're going to put it on a 3, which is a basic raisin, and then pretty much you just press the button. That's going to rest for a little while, then it's going to knead it, then it's going to rise, and then it'll bake it, and hopefully that'll be good. Looks alright. Might taste like crap though.